The InkSonic Easiest Use XP600 DTF Printer is built to make custom t-shirt and fabric printing simple, fast, and professional. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. With its 13-inch A3 print width, you can create vibrant, detailed designs on a wide range of garments and materials, perfect for both small businesses and creative entrepreneurs. What makes this model unique is its plug-and-play setup. It comes with a pre-installed laptop so you can get started right away, without the hassle of complicated installations. The easy-to-use LCD panel puts full control at your fingertips, allowing you to monitor jobs and adjust settings effortlessly. Combined with the fast XP600 printhead, you get high-quality prints delivered quickly, ensuring efficiency without compromising on detail or color. This printer is designed with beginners and professionals in mind. If you're starting a custom apparel shop, adding personalized printing to your services, or simply exploring fabric design, the InkSonic XP600 offers the reliability and simplicity you need. It reduces setup time, minimizes learning curves, and ensures consistent, professional results. Durable, efficient, and user-friendly, the InkSonic XP600 is more than just a printer, it's a complete solution for growing your creativity or business. Whether it's one shirt or a bulk order, this printer helps you deliver professional results with ease. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.